Welcome to E-Vaadikkai. Thanks for your support and cooperation to grow business with E-Vaadikkai. Now I am going to explain about the new feature which we have launched recently. Hope everyone got message few days back regarding the version 2 update. Now I am going to explain what are the new features updated in our solution. Now, first feature which I am going to explain is multi-branch or multi-location. This feature will be very helpful for the same brand have a multiple locations stores. Normally in the store, the brand which have the single brand have multi stores, they don't have an individual website for every branch or every location. There is a one website with multiple locations. So that feature which we have implemented. This feature, how it will work, I am going to explain. Before that, if you want to implement that feature, you can contact our sales executives regarding the licensing and other how to implement multi-store options for your business. Now I'm going to explain how the multi-branch will works for you. Once if you enable the multi-location, once the user comes into your website, they have to show that they can see that there is a what are the location which are available for this brand. Here if you see the Sairam store have a multiple location. There is Chennai and Bangalore. If the customer wants to purchase from Chennai, they can click Chennai and proceed to further. That individual location have a individual products. It's look like an individual store. It's individual account. It's not with combined with other branches, because if the one branch have a one product, some other branch don't have that product, so the everything will be separated, so the maintenance everything you can able to very easily you can able to maintain that. Now in the top right hand side also you can able to see the changing the option. Now I'm clicking home, it's go to the main branch. If I choose Chennai, I can able to go to the Chennai branch. So use customer can easily change the branch and then they can proceed to order. Now the next is I'm going to quickly show you that what are the UI implementation which we have done recently. Here we have added best selling products. This the name and then the headings everything you can able to control through our shop panel. I will show you how to do that. If you go to settings and web settings, remember settings and web settings. Here only you can able to control your entire web content and informations, everything, the images, everything you can control from here. This page will be very easy to use. In a one page you can able to maintain all the content which you displaying in the front end. Now here you can, if you change this best selling products to something else, best selling items. Here I am going to explain other things. The category heading, if you are not put anything here, if you like, if you put our categories, then if you have subheading put, otherwise what is the for deal, then what are the content you want to put, then the new arrivals, how many products you want to display, and then best selling, how many you want to display. So you can able to put your numbers, and then what is the testimonial heading. See, our client testimonials, like that you can able to modify as you wish. Here you can able to see that all the headings we have given, that what is the order success message, everything you can able to, once the minimum order, what is the message you want to give, once the order placed, what is the message you want to give. This one is like if you don't want the best selling, you don't want, you can untick that. If you don't want to display the category in the home page, you can untick that. New arrival, you don't want to display new arrival, you can untick that. The testimonial, now the 3 unique points is unticked, so it will not showing in the website. Now I'm enabling that, and then I'll show you that how the difference between that. Just filling that. What are we using? That's it. I'm updated, and then I'm going there. Sorry. See, without your refreshing, that end customers page, the page will be loaded automatically. See, I am changing the best selling. I am not refresh anything. I can able to see that there is a 3 boxes are enabled, and this one is this thing. Then I'm changing that to previously category. Now I'm changed to our category. So here we have enabled that number of products in that category, so that the people can able to see that. And then scroll down, and then you can see that the special products, if you want to change the heading, you can able to change the heading. And then scroll down, that then you can able to control that how many you want to be. This new arrival, how many you want to be, you can control. And the testimonial, you can able to control that. The heading, if you want, you can change that heading in the panel. This all the headings you can able to change through the panel. Without that our interaction, you can able to control your this thing. The theme, you can able to put the theme, it automatically the theme will also got changed. You don't want to come back to us for the color change or anything, so you can able to change as you wish. Now this is the feature which I'm going to explain in that. The next is I'm going to log in. Yeah, now I'm logged in. If you go and see that right hand side and click the name of the right hand side, click go to profile. Here we have added 2 new features. One is the referral code, other one is your reward points. Okay, I'm just going to explain that the referral code will be very useful for you to retain your customers, as well as you can engage more customers from your existing customer. So just simply that ask your customers to refer to their friends, relatives, get credits or get benefits from your store. How? I'm explaining. You just go to your panel. So under settings, you can click the shop settings. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then here the last one, you can able to see the reward points. Here you can give that what is that referral percentage you want to give to your referrals. I'm just putting 5%. What is the minimum order you want to be like 200, and then if I update, that will be reflected. And then if I click that the reward points, if the 100 points, I can give you 5 points. 100 rupees, I can give 5 points. If that you can define, it's like a 10 rupees 1 point, 1000 rupees 5 points. That whatever the points you want to give, that you can able to control. We don't want to restrict yourself. You can able to do as you wish. Once this referral percentage is updated, this scenario is like I am your customer. I am referring my brother and sister to the store. My brother and sister, when they log in, when they first time they sign up, they want to use my code to sign up. If they miss also from shop side, you can able to merge with them. That option is also which we have in the shop panel. This one is like if I'm referring to my sister and brother, whenever they purchase that above that 200 rupees, each purchase I get 5% to added my credit balance, the credit book. Here you can able to see that there is a credit book. When you click the credit book, I can able to see that my transaction, my entire transaction, I can able to see here my credit balance, and then I can add whenever I purchase, I can able to use my credit. So all the things come back to our sales only. It's not going out from our shop. So it will be very helpful for the engage to the customers, also that we get some more benefits from this credit book which we have implemented. We think that this is only unique feature from E-Vaadikkai, because we analyze that there is no search facility in our many of the e-commerce platforms available in the market, but none of them have this feature which we have implemented the first time. So we should proud to that. Based on this is based on that your guidelines and feedbacks, that also we want to happy to share with you. Next is, then if I'm going to the referral, if I see go on referral, see as a Kalidas I am referring 5 people, each people how much I can earn from every people, so I can able to understand my friends design. So I'm totally I have earned 4,965.14 rupees from my referral. So out of that I can able to have a balance of this. So I can able to see as a customer, I can able to see that who I'm referred, who I'm active, who's the active. It's look like a mini MLM. It's not. It's a single layer. It's not a 7 layer or 5 layers. It's a single layer. Then it's going to wish list. Wish list is a common one, so everyone knows that. If I want to, your customer wants to wish list some particular products, they can wish list, and then they can, in click, in single click, they can able to go and purchase that product. And then testimonials. The customer can able to give the testimonials. The many customers are say that your about your services and products. They said very good product, very good services. But if you project that into a website or something like that, only you can get benefit out of that. Otherwise, the customer say to you, then there is nothing to helpful for you. So that is the reason only we implemented the testimonial. You say that your customer go and put your testimonial. That will be helps to your business. So once the customer plays the testimonials, it will not publish automatically. So don't worry about that. We have that slabs. So here, if you go and under manage shop, you can go testimonials. You can see that all the customer testimonials. When you publish the testimonial only, you can able to the testimony will be published in your website. Otherwise, the testimonial will not disclose to anyone. If you unpublish that, it will not show in your website. You don't worry about that. So the customer, sometimes the customer, we try to, everyone has to try to satisfy that customer. Sometimes the customers are not that much happy. So the customer you don't want to get worry about that. They will put some negative feedbacks, nothing. It will be all controlled by you only. The third is feedback inquiries. Because this is the most important from your customers. The customer has to want to know that there is some kind of queries they want to address you. So they want to be write your feedbacks, inquiries. So you can able to see that. And then here that's all. Then I'm explained already the credit book. The credit book will be very useful for when they placing order. They can able to use that credit and then they can place the order. It will be, you can able to avoid that payment gateway charges and other charges. So it will be very useful for you to make an easy purchase to your customers. And then we have updated that stock list in that. So when the customer places the order, automatically that you don't want to worry about that. Previously we don't have that facility. So many of the customers are asking when you are launching the stock. So that is based on their request. We launched the stock this thing. When the stock will be coming to that the threshold, automatically it will show in the panel out of stock. The customer will not order beyond that your stock. You don't want to worry about that. So now we have this is what that we are implemented. The WhatsApp will be implemented. So once you can put the WhatsApp number, automatically this theme will can able to change the theme, entire theme you can able to see change that. Also that I just want to explain that one more this thing. It's like pickup time, pickup slot. The many people are asked that I want to be like a pickup slot. So the customer can able to choose that pickup slot, which pickup, which time, which day they want. This text also you can able to control by yourself. You can able to change that. Here you can see that there is a 11:05 p.m. You can able to put your own slots. That slot will be displayed here. The customer choose that and then proceed. And then come down here. You can able to see here that credit amount. that from easily the customer click that, proceed. They don't want to give any other details. They can easily they can finish it of that. It look like a wallet. Then if I go to my order and then if we see, I can able to see that details. I can able to see that payment mode by credit book. If I go and see that here delivery date and time will be populated, and then if I go to credit book and check that this is the order number, debited amount 136, balance amount this, so you can able to see that the end customer also can able to see that transaction, out of the transaction did they done so far. And then now this is what that about that front end changes. Other changes, if anything I missed out, I'll put it in the other videos. Sorry for the inconvenience. Most of things I covered. Now I'm going to explain about that. What are the changes which we have implemented in the shopper panel? The dashboard, there is not much changes. It will be the same. We have implemented some kind of security and the performance, those things only. That will be implemented in the entire front and back and both. Okay, now I'm going to show you the category. The category option, which there is a two things we have implemented in that: description and other. Next is the description. How the description will works. See, for example, if you're running a services business, you can create that services as a category, and then you can put that details about your services here. That will be as a services page, service page. So it's not like selling anything. You can put as a service. It's a static website, a services website. You can create easily. That's what that is. Next is many customers are asking. So I just want to, because I just added that product in some kind of format, but now I just want to shuffle that, because in that when I start my business I added vegetable as a primary. Now my primary is groceries. So I just want to move the grocery category as a first category. So you can able to easily you can able to move like this here. It will be automatically move down. See here, if you I'm moving here, and then if you submit here, if we go into the front end, see here the category got changed. So this is what that without any refreshing you can able to see that. You don't want to do that. That's what our this thing specialty our platform. That's it. So then subcategory products, the same you can able to do that. Also the previously which we had, like once you made the changes, if you go to that any of other pages and then make some changes here, the most of feedbacks which we got, that the entire page, the pagination is got shuffled. So we need to go again the fifth page and then go to that particular place, and then I want to edit that. So many requests which we received, so we have fixed that issue also in that. Next is a blog. The blog is like primarily for who are doing that more specific into the content driven website. I want to be like more traffics, I want to get organic traffics, and then I want to more content floating in my website. So something that kind of people can able to use this. Something I'm running an organic shop, so I want to promote a blog kind of thing. Why the people wants to buy our product as an organic product, so they can put as a blog, so they can able to end customer can able to how where with the blog seen is here. If you click that, you can able to see the blogs here. So it will be very easy to your customer to there is some kind of interactions will be there with your customers. And then testimonials, I am already shown that you can able to enable disable, you can able to add your the customer testimonials. And then is order based. You can able to see that what is the what are the products are in the pending orders, what is the quantity, so that you can able to plan that. See, if you're running in a vegetable business, the day to day you can able to see that what are the products, how many quantity you need, like a vegetables, brinjal, how many kg required from the, how many orders received, onion how many orders, carrot how many orders, like that you can able to see the day to day basis, and then you can acquire from that wherever that you're buying. The best selling, the second best selling is like you can able to see what are the products is top selling, so that you can able to see that kind of products you can able to plan your business. Then low quantity, and then product stock level, and then high inquiry products, this one. This then it's like that's all about that manage shop. And the manage orders, we have added some kind of filtering and coloring options over there. You can able to see that. It will be very useful for you to easily navigate that. And then if you have any medical this thing, you can able to see the medical orders. And then the manage customers, that right hand side, this panel, we can update this here, add credit. For example, if you want to add someone, you want to add a credit, like you can search here or put a mobile number or name. You can able to see their name, and then you can able to see that all the activities. And then you can go here and then click that. If you want to add, for me it's 500 rupees, then if you implemented added, this will be automatically added to my account, so I can make my purchase within that. That's all about that. Then it's a redeem rewards. So if I have points, I just come back to you. Based on your business plan, you can able to give a coupon, or you can give a gift discount, or anything. Whatever the thing you want to give that for that against that coupon. Sorry, rewards point. The example, like one customer wants to have a 6,000, 7,000 points. They want to redeem. You can enter that redeem points here. You can enter the redeem points and then put your description. The description will help you to how or what are the benefits you given. It's like you can give a coupon or give a gift or anything. What are the things you can give on that? You can put the description and press submit. Then the OTP goes to the customer. Customer give the OTP to you. You put that OTP, then only the reward points will be deducted from your customer. So this will be the security layer which we have. This will be helpful for you to give some security to your customers. Then the feedback, what are the feedback the customers is filling into the app or mobile or app or web, you can able to see here. Then card details, there is a two. One is the registered customer who are the already placed order, put on the product, added in the products in the cart, but they've not made any purchase, still in the cart. So you can able to see that, and then you can able to communicate by SMS or WhatsApp or phone. You can able to convert them, give a discount or something like that. You can able to convert them as make them purchase. Unknown customers is like who that placing that adding the cart into, and then they will not logged in. So those are unknown customers. You can able to see that. This is also very useful for you to what are the tractions happening in your website. The inquiry details is already have. You can able to mark, send SMS status update, or the inquiry status hold or something. You can able to mark that. This point of sale, there's nothing changes in the point of sale. Now the point of sale, you can able to search mobile and name everything. Then user account, there is nothing change. Reports, we have added a couple of reports here, the stock report and order reports, and then credit book report. The credit book report will be helpful for you to you can find that customer name, and then you can see that what is the credit they have. And then shop settings, I am already explained the shop settings, which if you want to enable the stock, you want to tick the enable the stock, then you need to update every quantity for every product. You need to update the stock. Then only that the website will work. Otherwise, the customer cannot able to place order. Please careful about that. Minimum order already have that. This thing nothing change in that slot. This slot only I'm already shown in the front end. You can able to choose the day, and then you can able to add the multiple slots. This is one this cutoff time. So every time when you the day same day, if they have if a person wants to place order the same day, they want to be like when they what is the cutoff time. If I put to 1 o'clock, the same day they trying to place the order after 1 o'clock, that will the slot will not allow to. They select the tomorrow date only. So the cutoff time will be very helpful for you to streamline your orders. Then website settings. Website settings will be already explained, so there's nothing to explain here. And then that update referral. This update referral will be like as I told you in that when I explained to you in the front end. The customer referred. If I am a customer, I am your customer. I am referred my friend and referred my sister. So they already registered with you, but they registered because of me only. So that time that if you talk to that, if you are okay with that, you can able to merge that two numbers, that my number and my friend number and sister number. Then if you submit, it automatically link to that. The future purchase, what are the things my sisters and this thing purchase, I can get benefits. What are the benefits you already mentioned in that. Then here credit book. Here you can able to see that what are the credit amount which I have, every customer have, you can able to see that. This is the major updates which we have done, that the website already updated and an app also will be updated soon to the Play Store who are having that app plan. So this is what I want to share with you in updates. Once again, I'm happy to say thank you for all the supporters, all the shoppers which they supported us. Thanks for. If you have any clarification or anything, please reach us anytime. Our support team and sales team ready to help you anytime. Also, that one of the other request which I am placing the videos, like please refer your friends to E-Vaadikkai. This will be very helpful for us to grow together with you. Uh, Thank you so much to watching this video. Thanks for your time to sitting and watching the long video. Thank you.